Okay. Live? I think we are. Hope the sounds goes well. Oh, and just in case I turn on closed caption. Just in case the mic bug out again, like yesterday. So everything is in order. All right, this new mic is definitely not as good as the other one in term when it comes to noise canceling. I can hear chairs creaking just by having it. Well, hope for the best. Ba-bum, ba-ba-bum. Ah, all right, all right, all right. Let's go to the main scene now. Oops. Uh, I think your boys forget to yeah, starting everything. Okay. All right. Get the files out and open. While everyone pouring in. Get the project opened up now. Wait, we were working on the panel, aren't we? Yeah, we were working on this thing. Need to make a copy of that just in case broke something. V 1.0. Let's go with that. No, that's 1.1. Let's go for 1.1. Yeah, don't worry, chat. We just started. I am putting stuff together. No clue. Oh, how the sound's going. Alright. We'll open that so that everyone can see stuff and progress them into the depth of the bass project pin. Yeah, looking good, looking good. Alright. So, first and foremost, let's check on the prototype that we printed out yesterday for hopefully the last bunch of the dock. So I just grab this one and expand it like so. When we can go grab it on the bed. Of course, the door is stuck there, so don't worry about that. And done. Yeah, not exactly the most visible view. Oh, the part that I've just the the support just ripped some off. Don't worry about it. Oh wait, I make a mistake or something. I don't know. That's kind of a problem that, oh right, we're not finished with this yet. I need to make some building support for this thing. Cannot trust the auto-generated support every time. It doesn't work all the time. Partly because they don't allow you to make a non-soluble support with these. Wait, and well, yeah. So we're gonna have to handle that on our own side, huh? Alright, grab the camera. 3 seconds. Oh my. Oh. Oh wow. I think it picked up me just adjusting the mic. Oops. That's gonna be a bigger problem. Ah, that's not good. Well, let's refresh this really quick. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna mute every time I adjust the mic. It's actually better. Okay. All right. Let's check these out. So first piece is this gun here. You can see the little problem right there. That is a result of the shampoo. So, not too sure what to do with that. On one hand, it's not that bad of a problem. So let me grab some tweezer, just yank them out like that, and that's good. But on the other hand, really should not have that kind of design problem, huh? This bit need a bit of support as well. Ah, that's annoying. Next. This one though came out perfectly because it's such a simple part. And the printed hole there also came out great. But that's good. Can I see it? Can you guys see it? I don't think you can see it, but yeah, the printed hole came out absolutely perfect. Hi, my name is Vinny. I am a designer on a tool changer system for Voron, which is that thing there. And yeah, I'm making a second version of it. And since I'm trying to grow a YouTube channel, I might as well do it live, right? What can go wrong? Oh, I forgot to mute the mic again. And of course, because this like what? It's like the sixth time that I actually stream. There will be a lot of scuff on these stream, like like a lot. If anything, like yesterday, I got a scuff mic yesterday, and basically couldn't hear me at all the whole time. These go well, like a shampoo and all that, go very well, except for that last bit there. I don't know what happened here, but once again, but it's not too bad. Thank you, thank you. All right, let me just write that down. That one actually that's actually annoying me really hard, and I'm trying not to curse on stream. So do excuse me if I pop out the words, some of the words sometimes. Anyway, so first thing first, support for this is the inner pillars. So Oh, and I need to turn on the fan because goddamn, this room is hot. It's not as hot as yesterday. It's not as hot as that a few days ago, but it's still 28 degrees, so I'm sweating. Alright, so first thing first to note is support for inner pillar, built-in support for inner pillar, built in. Oh, let's make that a category actually, because there are multiple things that need to be built-in support. Which engineering am I? Depend on what you're trying to say. I am mechatronics as from in Unix, but right now I am a reliability engineer. And for those who don't know what a reliability engineer do, imagine people build something, a car, a factory, or something like that. They throw me a design plan, and I throw it back to them, tell them that they did something wrong and not safe enough for everyone. Oh. Inner pillars. So the inner pillar near building support. This piece obviously needs support. This is the dock base. Let's just move these. The funny thing is, sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't, right? This guy. Right, so you can see this one is pretty much perfect. Let's just get rid of that couple of line that got messed around a bit. But other than that, this one is perfect. And the bottom one, the bottom interface is the best out of with the auto-generated support too. Ah, right. Yes, and also for all who's new, I'm gonna complain about the weather a lot in here in this channel because I'm from the UK, and that's all we do here. Oh yeah, so this part here is the one that completely failed here. This supposed to look like that, clean and simple, but then it becomes this wiry mess, unfortunately. Well, it's not like I'm gonna connect the other thing on this anytime soon, so I'm okay with that. Yeah, this definitely needs support. And the funny thing is, I am not going to fully assemble this like I used to. Oh, is that POA? Oh no, this is ABS. A Voron is a very hot machine. You cannot make this thing out of POA and expect it to last. Alright. Alright, so this is just as expected. I think the nozzle on actually take grab this one first. Let's double check. Okay, never mind. I was okay. That's good. So the tolerance seems to be good. Yeah, I take it back. Tolerance is good. Put this photo slot in the other side. Yeah. It's I might reduce it just slightly. Yeah, I'll get maybe put it for if the tolerance on this one is tight. This one is spot on for what it is. So tight, and when we put it through there over there, it will clamp things down and not moving at all. So that this one is perfect. But this one is slightly, you can see that there's a little wiggle there. I want to put it down even just a little more. Trying to test if I can get it down, yeah, just a little more in terms of that tightness. Not too sure that it's necessary though, because there would be a bar, should be a metal bar like this thing running through the top there, and it should stabilize a lot of things. So, yeah, actually, I just talked myself out of not doing that. I will do that if needed in the future, but that is something to be tested at the point later on. I'm not gonna ref I'm not gonna uh I'm not gonna over design what 0.1 millimeter of things because depending on the machine, depending on the tool head, and calibration of that 0.1 mil on a printer is a bit of tolerance that you have to account for rather than design around it, design with that in mind. And that is that for now. Unfortunately, this is not gonna go on like I wanted to, but at least we can see this side. Now, the one thing that I'm looking for now is how flush it is just sitting on this, and not so much, unfortunately. And also, I don't like that there's a chamfer there on this piece, and I don't like that. Uh, Are you also into product engineering? Yeah. I mean, I'm the various discipline of engineering are now mixed up in my brain right now. So there's system engineering who design the whole system, product engineering who design a piece of the system, reliability engineering who literally just check to make sure that the system is reliable, and there's all of that. Safety is its own categories. A lot of things moving, but yeah, basically anything any bit of engineering in terms of hardware I like. I don't do software though. I can work with software, but I actually I can't make software. I did make software, but I can't really do that full time on that. But yeah, where was I? Yes, the chamfer on this piece look okay. The chamfer on that edge is not good, so I remove that chamfer. Is this chamfered or is this Philip? It's chamfered. Mm -hmm. On at the gate. All right. Honestly, that's all there is to this thing. Small one, small changes. Little iterate at a time. Oh, right, I need to test this to see if the hole is still correctly aligned. Ah, this thing is not doing so great. All right, grab my pin here. Yep. So still, it's reasonable. So the machine gonna be able to push the dock in and out from this tolerance, but I'm not sure it had enough grip of the dock to do that. It is something to be tested because right now, hmm, right now, what is when the two heads sit on this, the thing that it is was it latch on to be able to push this dock left and right is this slight lip here and this little thing on top. This is not very strong because it's printed in this orientation. So I might need to make sure that this hole is slightly wider than it should be. But then again, I think I already are. It's a matter of pushing things through like that. Oh yeah. There was some gunk in there, and I just pushed them right through. And now I can just like do it much easier. Okay, never mind. Hole's fine. Don't need to do anything there. Eh. Oh, trust me. What the good you need gonna do is that they're going to what's it? They're gonna give you a choice midway through your course. For me, I pick actually no, I picked the exact one that I want from the beginning, mechatronics. Um, but so if you are electrical or mechanical engineer, no. So the first few years they're gonna give you a general engineering course, so you can so a bit of everything. But in year 3 and 4, well, year 3, you get to pick what specific engineering you go into. The worst thing you can do at that time is after they choose is to choose an engineering course that you had never come in contact with. Like if you are a mechanical or a hardware engineer and you decided, hey, I want to try some software. Third year, you can do it if you want to study, but if you want good grade, that's not a good time. Ask me how I know. Get rid of that. Just give it, playing it with it a little bit, just to make sure that I got everything in correct. I have also ordered some and so right now, all the magnet I have, I got N45 and a lot of N52. Those are the magnet strength. So N52 is what I use in the version that is on the machine right now. It's very strong, but it requires quite the grip on the of the upper part of the dock, which is this bit here. Not sure this thing can handle it. In the return, I pushing the this thing back that way. Uh, Maybe a cowling would be serve a good demonstration here. There we go. All right. So if the cowling go that way, yeah, I can grip on that on my with a hand now, and I can tell it rely entirely on this bridge to be able to push this thing back and forth. So if anything, I might have to strengthen this bridge, huh? We'll see. We will see. Yeah, the bottom they make no difference whatsoever. Maybe I could extend that little bit in the middle there, out a bit, so that it can latch on to this inner lip here on the cowling. Yeah, let's maybe I'll have to do that, huh? All right, see you later, Resonant. So that is the plan. All right, so add. So that add base. Actually, add a latch for the dock bottom. Yeah, let's call it that. Actual lateral dock bottom. So we want something to we want to extend it bit out a bit just so that it had some room to latch onto this surface here. That's gonna create some problem, but hey, I really live you learn. Everything I get to count up the number of failure, the bug or recap. But yeah, anyway, that would be good to do that. Add that right there. Think about it a little bit. But yeah, and also let's test this out. Once again, it's quite loose. It's quite loose. I'm pretty sure my nozzle one is worn out. Kind of annoying too because that one is obsidian, which is not good. That one is pretty penny to get that obsidian nozzle, and it worn out so quickly. God damn it. Maybe need to get a one of those diamond bit. Oh, this one is tight too, so that's good. Anyway, these are good efforts. This is good. It's a good effort. We still need some change that need to be made, but so far so good. I think chuck these into the what's it prototype bin for future references. Never gonna use them again, but future references. uh, Gonna put the camera to the machine. So, alright, so if we need it, we can start it. Alright. Alright, that. Alright, got everything cleaned up to make sure that I have space to do that work now. Cool. Now, I was hoping that I could just move on, but obviously I got a list of things that I need to do for the cat of the, what is it called, the dog. So I need to make a copy of that so I don't lose what I had done thus far. Make it 1.5. Put all 1.4 into the past design bin. Yeah, clean up. Alright, so okay. Okay. Where was I? Right. So built-in support and what's this? Remove small chamfer on the gate. All right, let's do that first. I want to see easy. Oh, and add the latch to the bottom of the lock. Uh-huh. All right. Okay. Hmm. Trying to think of the best way to do this. So for the dock bottom, what I'm gonna do is that I don't want to touch that because that one is entrenched into the other stuff beneath it. So I'm gonna call this design one. Design one. Design one, and I'm gonna move that up here with the rest with that. When it's done, yeah, okay, there we go. But of course, move all of this beneath that one because we want the two design to be right next to each other. Like so. We call this design 2. So now I can mess with design 2, but design 1 gonna stay the same, and design 1 is gonna be the base for oh my god, don't touch anything. The design 1 gonna be the base for everything down here, while design 2 is just going off in its own thing as we add more bit more feature to it. That might cause some problem later on in a distant future, and if that end up being a problem, but for now it is not. So we're gonna save that. Oh wow. Can you guys hear me clicking my finger, by the way? I think you can, right? A little, yeah, a little bit. Okay. Trying to minimize that then. Oh. Where was I? Yes, yes, yes. So this gate, which is gate. Yep. I'm gonna collect the chamfer, select that, deselect, unselect. But that's not okay. What's that there? I thought there was no chamfer there. Hello? That's not. Hmm. What are you going? Where's goes? What's going on? Hello? Cancel, cancel. There we go. Just cancel that. I don't know what's going on, so I'm just gonna step out of it. Ah, yeah, you heard a snap, barely. Okay, okay. So hide everything else. I think. Yeah, let's start with that. Let's hide everything else. But yeah, there's a little chamfer there that we want to remove. I believe it's that one. Select. Oh, yeah. So this one definitely need to be hidden as well. Oh, no. Oh my God. Come on. Get out of it. Go. Go away. Oh, yeah. For those who don't know, this is the reason why the software a little slow, because I have now add so many items into this one file that every time I access a sketch or something, it's gonna recompute a bunch of stuff, and that's caused trouble for the machine, for the computer to just do that. Ah, that's probably why I have designed some of the other stuff in a separate file. Also, I think either we add that one or we remove that one. I reckon we remove it just so that we have more room to add, what is it, to add glue to the system, because this bridge is going to be taking up quite a bit of force down the line. Review that. All seems good. All right. So that is it. It's not. Okay. And with this. Do we want to straighten this out too? Maybe. Not too big of a problem. Not of right now. Yeah, let's just leave the whole lips as the same as it is right now. Plenty of space, so that's that. Oop, but that one's fine. Just cross that out, remove the small chamfer onto gate. Add the latch at the bottom of the dock, so we do that now. As we said earlier. Oh, actually, we got rid of that. So the bottom design, let's open that on now. And now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to remove this chamfer, all of it. Oh, right, I know now why it broke. Okay, yeah, that chamfer was the reason why this edge broke on in the that chamfer, that chamfer. Let me just Control Z. That was the reason why the edge broke in printing when compared to the old one. So where's it gone? Hello, come on. There we go. There we go. Yeah. So that's see that create the geometry where it's not a it's this, well, how to put it? There's a sharp turn and then a at an angle. Hard to explain what this is, but yeah, you can see that it go up like that at an angle to this edge here. So I think these slicer just don't know how to make the support for that, and that's why it did what it did. So, we make the building support ourselves in a bit, but not a bit. I'm not sure I can get it done today. What I'm saying, I should be able to get it done today. I have some faith in myself. Some faith. Okay, so we got this now. At the left at the bottom. Oh, we need to do that. Oh God. Okay. Highlight that. Right in the reference bucket here. I want the not that one. Oh no, not that one. Definitely not that one. Cowling, yeah. Cowling reroll. What's that? Okay, I haven't seen how to go. Should not break anything. Should add that one, not that one. Yeah. I don't know why that one is turned red, but yeah, this is where I want it, so that's good. Okay, so hide that. Now, all right, on this piece, because now this whole green part is actually gonna lock in place. If I'm gonna change something to this base, well, I'm gonna change something, I'm rather just modified it rather than go back to design one and change the base there. So I'm happy to just grab this surface there, uh, make a random plane, like so. Yeah, okay. Hide. Oh no, what I'm just touched. Oh man, getting trigger happy, huh? Don't do that. Oh yeah, there we go. Get rid of that. Get rid of that. It just I just add an object as its own plane dynamic plane, which is not exactly productive. Anyway, blah blah blah. Alright, so and now we're going to trace this, right? Or do we want that one? Oh no, we need to entry the entrance first. For that we need to clear this loop on the outer edge of the yellow first. So I'll just grab that, that. I'll go up. Oh my god, why are you making that weird? Okay, there we go. I have to make everything a different way. Okay. Oh my. So cut that off. I don't need these two lines, so let's not bother. What is this? Is this a circle? It's some sort of curve without. Oh, so a circle with center that way. Okay, yeah. Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let's sketch them up. I want this line. That's easy. This one is straight and match that one. That's easy too. I realize that this is not exactly a standard number, so I just no escape that. What did I just do? Uh, uh, what happened? What happened? All right, back. All right, there we go. Yeah. That's a, I think a double click and I got the point just happened, just showed up. Okay. So actually, let me just draw a straight line first. I don't think I have much chances. No, I do. What I'm saying. Grab that. I was thinking that I don't have much chance to make it fast, but I do. So just grab that. Like that. Ooh my. Like that. M to create all these change of this mode. Which is like so. Oh, I don't need that one. Alright, I think that's the last of it. Yeah. Oh, actually. Oh, and the software crashed. God damn it. Count that as a big cut bug really quick. Haven't seen that in a while. And now we open free cat. Good thing I got recovery. Let's see where it recover me. Finish. Wait, you gotta be kidding me. It sent me back to this one. Oh, darn it. Oh wait, I did save that one, right? So it shouldn't be that bad. Save this one first. I don't know what I changed, but I think I gotta save first. I go to there, and I got design too. That's good. Ah, they didn't save the part where I removed these. Okay, okay. I see where we're going. Just remove that. Grab that, and redo all the work I have done in the last 10 minutes. No biggie. I am not salty. And cool. On second thought, I may want to make that a point 4. Yeah, let's make it a point 4. Just a slight chamfer instead of a substantial one that we did before. This is just to counter for the elephant foot. So we don't. I do want it to look a little sharp. Okay, so I'm gonna save that. Save. Doing this thing. Alright, good. Now I can hide it. We can hide this folder. And grab that one back. Put that back on line. Make that red. Then we can delete this chamfer. And Okay, here we go. Thought we're gonna break again. Put the cowling back in like that. I think we're gonna rack up a hell of a lot of what is it called pre-cut bug today because we're gonna mess with this. We're not gonna mess with. We're gonna interact with this uh step file. Save that. So I'm just gonna not periodically. I'm gonna religiously trying to save at every time I touch anything. All right. Press random blame there. Okay. Why is it taking a hot minute? Okay, there we go. Like that. One of these days, will, yeah, what I'm saying. Oh, grab that line. And now grab all these edges again. And remove everything else. Save that. Come on. All right, there we go. Cool. Let's draw more lines again. All these lines again. Like so. Mode. Yeah, just write M a couple of times. Okay, actually this worked. And then freeform it there. That's good. The only thing left is to create. Just don't let that midpoint meet. Oh my, careful. Does it matter? I don't think it matter. Alright, and we merge these 2 points. Nope, don't do that. Make it equivalent. Yeah, make it equivalent. That's good enough. Set him here. Yep, set him here. Equal. It worked, right? No, it didn't. There's something broke. Oh, oops, wrong button. Oh my god. Wrong selection. There, that's what we're looking for. That one need to go up to meet that point. And it's locked up. This one didn't work. There we go. Alright, so that is the outer edge. Close that. Also, that we may want to give it some tolerance, huh? But yeah, that's neither here or there. Let me just see. Let me just see if it works. We'll see it when we print it out a model. So okay, in what is it called? In an effort to not deal with this sketch step file, let's rather than extrude to this face, let me calculate that, which is 3 mm. All right, so we're gonna extrude 3.3, so that we get this some leeway, some tolerance in the design, so for this to actually slot in place. Okay. So get it out of that, make this, and extrude it for 3.3. Boom, boom, boom. Why is it not working? Hello? That one, extrude it. Did I save just now? I think I forgot to save. We shall see. 3.3. Maybe 3.4? Does that matter? Let me get 3.3. Yeah, 3.3. No, wait, 3.4, 3.4. So 0.2 mil on each side. So the front bit and the back bit, obviously the front bit uh is touching each other, the face here. So we're gonna account for it from the back and give it more millimeter here. So that's 2.4 it is. Alright. And here is where I just realized what do we want to grab? We want to grab that face, or do we want to grab that edge? I think we want to push it. No, what do we want to push against? Sorry, that's the better way to put it. Is that the face? Yeah, it's a flat face. That thing there is a flat face. That there is a curve. Uh, hmm. We're doing this. What do we want? Yeah, because where is it? Let temporary grab the revo itself in here. So not this. Standard support doc, none of that. Okay. Assembly, yeah. Reference assembly. Oh, I should have grabbed that one as a reference. Okay, never mind. It's I'll put this in just so we know what we're dealing with. Yeah, so that is the nozzle, and obviously we're far away from it. If I remember correctly, the A4T does not support things like the Dragon, right? Or the standard, the good old V6 hot end. So that we won't have to be worried about it sticking out too far from here to there, from here to there. It's not that it's all we need to no, and we need a lot of space so that it doesn't melt the bottom dock like it did on V1 with the Dragon and all that. But we don't support Dragon on this two head, so I don't think that would matter too much. So I'm going to get rid of that. And I need to save, make sure to save. And also, save that first. And remember when I said it's not gonna bother me too much? I take it back. I'm going back here because ultimately I do not want this to be touching each other. I want it to give it a 0.1 millimeter clearance at least, right? So I need to get rid of all this. I need to make sure that not collide. So I need to draw a new one. Like that. All right, start with that. And now we just grab that. Make a circle, M, somewhere around there. Straight line should have been horizontal, but okay. Straight line again. Oop, I overshot that one. Okay, so let's do that again. Where is that point? There we are. So we make these two collide this time because I want a lot of that information. Where is the center of this one? Where I said that? Oh, I think I got it corrected down that one. Yeah, I draw that just a moment ago from there. That point. Yep, that's it. So, oh, this one need to meet to up to. Oh my, no, don't break your normal model. Is that horizontal? And there's the sky just gone gray in the UK. Uh-oh. So now what? Can we How do we make it a 0.1 millimeter out clearance? Because clearly, okay, first let's create some construction line here. Oh, I see a problem there. Did not collide correctly. Could coincide correctly. If you want to use the correct terminology, like that. Yeah, yeah, I should do that to this one too, huh? Collide. Oh no, what's that just do? Huh? Why is that doesn't why doesn't that not why does that not make a difference? But it does over here. Oh, because okay. Maybe I could do that here too and see how that way go. I don't know what these restriction to. But I don't know what these constraints do, but I want to add them into it all tighten up and something like that. So I don't know why it tightened up, but I know that it tightened up. So I can just make a distance now a 0.1. Maybe 0.2. 0.2. 0.2 is good. Yeah, let's make it 0.2. Just in case, my printer does not like the cannot over extrude a little bit. Close it. Come on. Yep, save. Make sure you save. Oh, wait. I just realized I can use that thing in the middle there. Rather than trying to push against these curved edges, I can have a hook to go up here and grab on these flat surfaces. Yeah, sounds like a good idea. Better idea than before. So, grab that surface, make a plane out of that. Like so, okay. Hide it because I don't want the yellow bits. And draw on it. Okay. Man, I'm paranoid about the mic just cutting off on me. Oh. Now how do I do this and make it easy to print? So we definitely want those two surfaces. So just grab that one and grab that one. Just like that one below, we want to give it some room on the side, so we don't want to touch the line, but just trace it 0.2 millimeter out. Um, So, do we want to go up from? Do we want to just extend that up from there? Yeah, let's make an angle. Let let make the let's grab this sketch below because that's just an extrusion. Yeah, let's grab that line. Oh no, let's grab that, 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 and that. Yeah, so there's a circle, the rounded bit, and we can join these points to make a line. Right. Speaking of the line, what I'm thinking is I'm gonna not that. Oh, actually, let's grab that. That's fine. Just trace it again. Right. This basically trace it up to this point here on both sides. I can do that. Oh no, not that either. Oh my god. Okay. Like so. Mode 3 times. Get that. Put it away. Right there. Mode 3 times. Oh, I don't need that line either. Oh my god. Yeah, trying to get shortcut, but I keep run to realize why I can't make it a shortcut. Alright, so that first of all, that took a hot minute there to snap in place. Not so sure about that. Do we make this equal? Collide. And yeah, we don't want to do that. Now we want these 2 points to collide for one. Not collide, coincidence, but this one is equal. Because if I make the center point to be what's it? If we make center point coincident, it over constrains a lot of things. Just with that, make the 2 circle equal, collide these like so. And now I can grab that, and it will go up all the way. Where are we going? Oh wow, it'll go. Oh, that's convenient. It'll go up around there, so which is exactly where this nothing stop. So we don't need to be too worried about not extra feature there. Don't need extra feature. Go down here, make a line. Oh, don't hit that one. Don't snap on. Snap it. Yeah. So yeah, like so. And it's something over constraint. 12, 21, 22. First of all, let me just reline the top there so we can see everything in the right order. Oh, it's raining. I'm meant to go out today, so rain is not good. It's not good. Let's delete the bottom one. I don't know why it's not doing that. Okay, not doing that. Oh, all right. Let's just grab that. Get it there, like so. So I don't want it to start on the point. Is this have a problem? Same problem too? No. Right. Uh, hmm. That's strange. All right. So, what are we doing this? What are we doing this? Let's make these two symmetrical over this line here, like that. And we need me to move. Immediately need to move something off. Oh, 22. Coincidence? 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 I got words. What did it mean? Oh, actually, I don't need this to be away from this. Oh wait, no, I don't need that line. I just grab that line there, make that one coincident with that. But that took care of the height. That is a 0.2 mil different. So I just make this a little bit of dimension. Make it 5.4 and call it a day. Right? No, no stress over the detail right now because I think that the detail is correct anyway. That yeah, I'm gonna that's gonna be chamfered. Make sure to be chamfered later on. But for now, let's extrude that by a millimeter. Give it a substantial hook. Oh wait. I just realized we may not have the full how high that is to grab on. Oh, let me grab the prototype really quick. This one's good. The one will. Yeah. Okay. Am I still working? Yeah. Okay, so pull this back out so far so we have some space here. So this go on like that, right? But the thing with this is that how far that little hook that we just made, it can reach into the bottom bit here, depending on how tall this piece is. Because I think we only have a millimeter between there and there, right? To snap it down into place. So I need to go and measure that distance there, like that. So yeah, that's just literally just it. That's just it. Okay. Okay, go back to the drawing board on that one really quick. Hide that away. I don't need that no more. Don't need to highlight that. So that distance between that and that, right? Right. Uh-huh. Okay. Let's grab that edge and that point there. As for the distance, and we took the Y specifically here, that's 2.7 millimeter. Okay. We don't have much room to play with. So that piece, cancel. No. Get rid of that. Reset everything. Close. Bye bye. Don't want it to hold to create some weird. Don't want it to create some weird uh, measurement saving down the bottom. Okay, so get rid of that. I don't need it. All right, let's just split these edges. Yeah, trying to find a way to make the process a little more enjoyable than it was just now. Yeah, I don't want to draw something new. So like that. Horizontal. And just go in like so. Uh, hmm. Damn it, this needs to be coincident. Oh, I don't want to do that with that line. Let's do it here. Because if I make this two symmetrical as well, what happens is that center point they're gonna meet up between those two point and those 2 point in it. Not gonna. There's no reason why you should not do this. It's more of aesthetic. Oh, and now I just realized I can just grab that and that, make the dimension, and give it 0.1 mil, or 1 mil, or 2.2. Okay, yeah, get rid of that because we do not want that dimension. We want this. Ah, plus 5.4 was the perfect number. Good to know. And this distance here, 2.7. Oh, it's a D, not an F. Why are you locked in? Hello? That dimension is 2.7. So we're making 2.6. Yeah, 2.6 just in case. For this one, should we tighten it? Let's tighten it down by 0.1. Make it slightly tight so that it grip on everything correctly. Like that. Okay. Oh, dark clouds are coming. That, I don't know about that one, but that should be fine. Oh, wait, good. This is fine for support. It's good to know. But that there, oh, that's gonna be a pain in the ass. Like a genuine pain in the ass. Oh my god. Okay. To make it support for. Uh, okay. Mm, 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 All right. So that's the last for the dot bottom. Maybe make it a 2 mil thick instead of 1 mil thick. Wait, 1.1 mil thick is 3 lines, right? Three wall line width. That is 3 line width ish. So I reckon rather than one. So 1.2 is 4 line width. So 18. 8 4 line width. Okay, let me see about this. We want 3 line width. Time it by 2 because we got 2 wall. And time it by 0.4 times 6 is 2.4. Oop, 2.4. So that we make it thick enough for the machine to run around. This also will also help with what it call with the printing part too. So it doesn't. But 2.4 is a bit too thick, I think. I reckon I'll just make it 2. Make it 5 line width, so that's it's gonna print out the 2 on the at the outside and one big line in the middle, and that should be fine. Yeah, 2 mil is fine. Save that. Make sure we save. All right. Okay, anything else? No. Okay, built-in support. Ah, uh, hmm, hmm, hmm. Should make another object of this, huh? So save that again. I think I'll build the support into the finalized bit rather than finalized assembly. Oh yeah, then it need to be assembly to add a thing. Okay, so we need to make a assembly anyways. So a separate assembly anyway. So let's create an assembly. But make a copy of that. Put it in there. You don't need to highlight that anymore. You don't not need to set that as a thingy anymore. What I'm saying, I don't need to edit that sketch anymore. So I just unhighlight that. Make a body up, make a clone of it. So I can ignore that one. Put it in there. And I take it back. I do need an it, so I can grab the name of, copy that, put it in there. Oh no, control doesn't work here. Control V doesn't work here. It clearly say that it worked, but it doesn't work. So finalize. No, finalize. I still cannot spell finalize for my own for my own life, but okay. Yeah, I will match the spelling. I know it's wrong, but I will match the spelling of the everything else because I am not going through all of this and rename everything. If it worked, then it worked. Actually, let's grab this part here. Actually, let's grab the whole thing. I want that to be the name of the part, not this. Copy that. And this one is just the bottom. Body, main, body. Let's call it body. Body, yeah. Naming convention to be there. All right. So that's that. First of all, is to add in the thing that caused the problem to where we were thinking about to add in the reason why we have to consider support in the first place, and that are the chamfers. So let's chamfer everything. I grab that. Right, so that face, 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 that face. Don't grab that because I connect that. That face, and that face. Right? Right. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Alright, that's good. Alright, I'm gonna go that again, do that all again. Everything in this way, and it can be selected. Oh, don't grab that one. And those two. So everything in those square and those two. Everything in that square and those two, and that's that one middle one there. Put that. 0.6. Slide before, I think I'm gonna make it 0.4. Yeah, let's make it 0.4. Less that will be less problematic to deal with. And also, to be fair, that does look all right. it does look fine. Yeah, so okay, even as that. And now we need to figure out how to make a support for this. So unselect that, make a new body, call it dock body support one, because there is gonna be a couple of bodies. Copy that. And support one, dock bottom support one, support one, like that. Yeah, and I'm gonna take that one on top of it and a reference. One of these I'm gonna pull it up what is it called task manager and see how much resources this software is taking. So I don't need that anymore because I got this yellow bit here. Yeah, I have got, first of all, must create a surface here because this is where the support gonna go all fall down to. Mostly. Actually, I can't. Let's not. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. That's the first surface that the support's gonna fall down to. So we just create that. That face is fine. That's touching that is touching the build plate, so nothing to do there. I'm gonna need to support this bit here. So how are we doing this? Now, what is the least annoying way to do this? All right, let's first grab the line that we want to work with, so that one, and this one, right? Right? No? Okay, I got it. Let's make a centered square like so. Make sure that one align with that. That makes sure that the that feature going to be covered by the support, and then we just extend it a little bit like so. Dimension doesn't really matter. I'm gonna just give it a rounded up number so that it doesn't piss off myself like that. Okay. And if it close, come on. Okay. It took a second hot minute to do that, so I'm just gonna save it just in case it's gonna cause any problem. We extrude it to that base. And it's a bus. We'll extrude it to that face. Oh my god. Why do you have to be in the way? Alright, there we go. And we're gonna have it touching because, well, we can. Like that. And now I need to cut. Yeah, yeah. Now we cut that. We cut it up. So grab that again. Create to create a more sketch on that same face, and we cut it up. We cut it up by first hide it. Actually, let's make it transparent for one. Yeah, but then still hide it because we need to grab that. Leave those edges there. Yeah, those two edges are important. And just like before, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna grab the sketch of the part before it, like that, so they are referenced to each other. Okay, this is less of a science, more of what? This is more less of a science, more of just an art. That is to say, I'm just gonna draw a line like that, right? something like that in the center, and hope for the best, I suppose. No, I don't hope for the best. I copy it, put it down like so. Oop. Yep, just lay it across this. These are the things that gonna be taken out, so we make sure that it stay away from that line there. And whoop, my. Right. Now that I think about it, I should make sure that the line width is there or 0.4, but it's too late now. Separating could have be done better. Could just select these 2 points on the side rather than that 2 point because right. So grab that one and that one instead. I felt like I had I'm missing the one in the middle there where it's gone. I think I just selected and forgot to unselect it. So I'll just copy that. You could copy, put it there. Before we make it anything though, make all of this equivalent. Yeah. Make the line between them equivalent. But to do that, let me construction line. Let's draw some construction line. Oh no. Oh. Trying to think of how to get this done with the least amount of cost. Not succeeding right now. Definitely not succeeding. But I think this will do. Mm -hmm. Yeah, focusing. I hope I don't miss anything on chat, but yeah, that's good. Yeah, so, oops, okay, just put it there. Just put it there as well. That one and that one horizontal. Yep, that's good. Sometimes you support can go horizontal these two as well. And I'll make all of these blue line. Oh, actually, we could select. Why is there a point here? All right, yeah, because the construction line in the middle. All right, make all of this equivalent like that. So now we can specify the size of this. So these blue line are what are the Oh, my mouse just ran out of battery. 1 second. Need to put it in charge. Grab the other mice. And grab the other mice. Oh yeah, that's window. That is Linux. Cool. Oh yeah, before we define the oh actually let's make these guys also line of these the same as well. And this is so tedious. So tedious. Equal. Oh my, oops. I broke something. You know what? Grab that. We do this first. This is Moses. Come on. There we go. Go inside that. Go inside that. Go inside that. Go inside that. Alright, so hope this is not so clear on this side, unfortunately. Yeah, good thing I got the C button down. So, yeah, anyway, that's good. And now we can now select a bunch of the line and we can see which one is which, because we don't want the same. So it should. Yeah, that's good. That's good. And so we already added. I just grab one of here. Make that one equal to that as well. Just for consistency. Now, how thick do we want the support to be? 0.6 maybe? 0.6? 0.4. We want a single line, right? No, 0.5. We want a single line to define it all. Yeah, we don't. So the nozzle size is 0.4, but I'm gonna make these line that made up the support to be 0.5. And also what I'm going to check here is that I cannot actually tell. Oh wait, no, I can tell. It's not meeting. So yeah, so I want that to not. So I don't want this line to be in this box basically, because that's going to be get cut out, and that means that line would not be supported. This, so I reckon I can make it 0.4 now. We'll just play with this. 0.445. No, 0.4. They're not as sensitive as I thought, so that's good. But at the same time, I am now. I'm in a bit of pickle there. But you know what? 0.5. Keep it 0.5 because it supports the one in the bottom. We need to make a exception here for this specific item. So remove that. Move this one up a little. Yeah, and move that. Move that, and oh, where is everything else gone? Okay, where's that one? Is equal to that one. Where was I? Yeah, so we want to grab that one there. We don't want, it should not be equivalent. We want to grab one that one still be equivalent for consistency's sake. But I want that to move in a bit. Yeah, like that. Look at dimension out of that. Oop. Oh my. Oh god. I didn't meant to escape. Give me back. Give me back. There we go. Give it back in there. Thank you. Where was I? Oh wait, no, wrong sketch. God damn it. Ah, come down. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can do this. Alright, I'm gonna put a task manager really at some point. Dimension that. There, like so. Yeah, 2.8 is fine. 275. Yeah, let's do 275. Just make it look good. Doesn't mean anything, but it make good look good. And for some reason, number still not moving. It's not still equivalent. So something else is broken. But long as these equal to each other, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, I can tell. Okay, okay. What is broken? It it doesn't make any sense at this point. Honestly, at this point, it usually mean that you can get away with just not finishing the sketch. Actually, let me just do that. I'm not gonna try and hunt down whatever feature that is gonna tie everything together. So I'll just grab that, and I'm gonna say you stay in where you are, and I keep doing that until something match, right? Oh wait, no, let's not do that. Okay, let lock the that one down. Doesn't work. That one. Uh, hmm. Genuinely. All right. Ah, free two day freedom freedom. Ah, damn it. 40. So these two are equal. Yeah, that one is equal to that one. Yeah, that one is equal to that one. Yeah. Uh-huh. That one. That one. That one. That one. That one. Hmm. Hmm. What am I doing? Just grab that, give it that a dimension. All right, I get it now. Because now I broke the dimension. So just make it 63. Looking good. Ooh, that one barely in it, right? Yeah, that one barely in it. Yeah, that's all right. That's all right. Is that all right? That may not be all right. Let me think about this. Okay, 6 point. 606. How that go? Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Give it some room. All's good. Now we can cut it all the way through and see how that go. That is an over-engineered support software. A little waste of time, but you know, if it works, we need to rethink our strategy with that one there, though. Oh well, true. That's good. So that is the support number one. 6.6. Yeah, the last one there. Honestly, the built-in support, no, the built-in support function probably did it better than this, but mm, mhm. Yeah, just so quiet because I I do realize that some the original built-in support from the slicer do this better, but we need to do this because of that edge, and also because we cannot trust the software to always figure out the right support later. Hmm. That yeah, that's the case. Draw some stuff there, like so. All right, we will grab that point there. We're gonna extrude literally a tower just there to that, just and then oh, grab that point there. That's line there, I mean. And we just need a tower, right? Just one single tower. Here. Trying to think of a way to get this done and stuff, but the more I think about it, the less I actually thought of anything. So let's just get this over with. Yeah. Do we want to go all the way over the edge? Yeah, sort of. Let's do that. Oh, and it should not be a construction line like that. It should be points. Normal line. Yep. We want this to go all the way there, right? So actually just need this a little bit in a minute. Ooh, oh, having it symmetrical to that point is not a good idea. We don't want it these to be symmetrical. So get rid of this symmetry if I can. Yeah, that's the right one. Move this in. Because you can see on this side here, there's this slope. I want to dodge. And of course, don't want to create some, oh, what's this? Come on. Ooh, all right, there we go. And go there. Let And I just need to set them need to be doing. I really need to not do that to go to too much detail on this. It is very pedantic and it didn't do anything. Come on, just lock them in. I can lock the line. Lock the line then. There we go. Yeah, lock the line in. That's it. That's faster. Yeah. Oh, extrude that up to that face. Oh my god, come on. Ah, I just realized I can't do it. Okay. I need to connect the two, that one and that one. Ah, oh, that's annoying. Hmm. Alright, so before we done that sketch, we need another one. Then the plane. I want to sketch another one. I'm trying to avoid making too many bodies just for this. So we gonna grab a line and go all the way to the original sketch and hide that. And we got those two, like so, and connect them. Yep, connect them a little rectangle there. Don't need to do anything much other than that. Make it 0.4, 0, 0.4. Yeah, like that. Extrude that first. Oh my god, come on. You can do this. Okay, there we go. Extrude that by 0.4. We only want one layer, which is just a little bridge to make sure these two are the same part. Reverse. Make it 0.4. Like that. Like that. And now we can actually extrude that one to the face that we need it to support. Like that. Is it doing it? Oh, I have a feeling it punched right through though. Yeah, it's clip that there. So need to grab that sketch again. Did I make a mistake? Yeah, I did. At some point I forgot to do that. Okay. Do that again. So let me make a dimension here. 5.8 is good. Ah, now this one. Yeah, I'm closing it. It takes a hot minute. But this one, it might not be a good idea to do that, huh? Uh, yeah, let's try the zigzag again. But I don't think that's gonna work too well with this angled bit here. Yeah, let's just try it. Let's just try it, and we can grab some more complex, not complex, some other geometry if needed. Oh, what? No, you know what I can do? All right. No, 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 no. I'm just talking to myself there. Didn't work. That won't work. What happened in mine? Let's try another one there. Oops, should have mute the mic. It is just click something just say to on my headphone. I don't know what that is. Hopefully Microsoft is not screwing me over. Hopefully. I just grab every line there. And now let's make sure to include that point. I don't need to, I just need to look at it. I don't need to reference it. Okay. All right. Learn from what I just I did a second ago. I'll grab that. Like so. I want that line to make sure to not. I want that point and that point to be supported. So I grab it like so. Do I not offset it? I'm thinking about this surface here. When the contact between these two pieces, when we break away the support, let's see how much do we have there. I don't want to go get access to sketch to do this, so I'm just gonna make a quick dirty one there. Oh, okay. So, it's a single line between that two. Okay, okay, that's good to know. So I'll just do that, and that should go. All right, got that. Copy paste. Oops, should have grabbed. Oh, all right. Let's do the center thing here. That is that. So, like that. Copy paste. Paste that again. Paste that. Paste that. Paste that. Okay, there we go. Give this one a little more space. Like that. And you want if someone make a good attempt of of an add-on to create the support for FreeCAD, I would be much appreciated. Bit tedious sometimes. There we are. Oh, I really should have done that. So, before we do that though, let me make all these equivalent except the last one because we learned from the previous support. If one of them is not equivalent to the rest, that makes things easy. So we can do that. And now we can do this now. Let this open inside. Let me cut all the way to the end. Oh, oh, come on. Okay. Now we draw lines. Okay, let's try the one down here. Alright, cool. These need to be equal to each other. Because I want them to be equal to 0.5. trying to give it a more true. Ooh, wow, quite small, huh? Alright, let's grab that and reduce it to, and we're not. Maybe we can get rid of that last one and have everything else extended. Yeah, let's do that. Get rid of that last one. Go like that. Yep. So, well, I'll lock everything else in place, but still not enough. Okay, maybe more, maybe more. Get rid of that still. That. Oh, still not. Yeah, I want the. I built far too many lines on top for my good there. There we go. I look better. That a lot better and easier to manage too. And add this in there. Should be oh my. Go. Go and sketch the sketch. Come on. Oh, come on. Back in there. Alright. Oh, grab that one. Put it there. Two equal. And that lock everything in. Oh, this support piece actually a lot smaller than I thought. Got it. I reckon what I can do is taper that slightly. Give it a 0.1, a 0.2. That line is 0.5 on its own, right? This line are 0.5, so 0.5, maybe a point. I don't know how the software gonna take this, but I'm interested in. Yeah, I want to taper that. Okay, though. First, just say okay for that. Then I'll grab that. Give it a slight taper. 0.1. I'm gonna remove this in a sec because I still need to do other stuff. But give it a 0.1 millimeter taper like that. Yeah, we'll do that for everything else in a sec, in a bit, so that we can snap this thing off easier. Oop, cancel. We don't want that yet because we want to do draw every bit on this face first and let it. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so from the same point, I can still draw the support for that and support for that. That one is going to be an interesting one because there's a curved bit here to which I had not. I think I can still make it work. Yeah, yeah. So, alright, so let me check back to the let's see what the because oh my god. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm going to open the what's it, the slicer really quick. Specifically, I want to see how the slicer handled that overhang there. Where is it? Oh, there it. Okay, yeah, that one. Yeah, I'll grab the slicer. Okay. It's solid. Oh, it's shown on that side. I thought, no, not that one. Oh, oh, that's interesting. One sec, I need to move this to the other side. There we go. Just somewhere around there is good enough. Okay. Oh, I know why I put it on the other side. Anyway. We will deal with it in no time. That down. Yeah, yeah. The framing is absolutely horrific, but I think we can work with that. Oh, um. mhm, mhm. Oh, grab. Where's the dog? Bottom. Oh God, it's so long. Oh, there's a clam. Top bottom. There we go. No, that's point one. Oh boy. Name. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Top bottom. Finally. There we go. That's something that we want to check. We want to have it on this face. Uh, then build-in support, paint it all where you want it. Oh, right. Because originally we don't have that little ledge over here, so I was wondering where how did it deal with that, but it didn't because it wasn't there before. Okay, that makes things a lot more complicated. Hmm, I'm gonna make a bridge. Okay. Hmm, that's an interesting bit snippet. So if I open this now, maximize that. Hmm. I reckon I extend this all the way out to that edge there, and then further, then we can just keep going straight up from there. Yeah. Ultimately, we want this point, and this point to be supported. That is the point where it start to make the angle. The printer to start to make an angle. So as long as we can secure those down, it's gonna stretch from the base to that point. And oh wait, no, actually there's one too. Oh boy. Really should have thought of how I had should be able to handle this stuff, huh? Yeah, too late now. Mm, mm. All right, so need to build that one first. Ah, God damn it. Oh, what do you get for having a complicated design, really? Now you have to sit there and support everything. Okay. Here we go. Oh, actually, let's just extend that first. So there, why is it locked into place like that? Oh, right, because of that point. So we can go all the way up to. Actually, let's go up to here. Let's go up to here. Oh, yeah, up to there. Because it's going to need to support all of that, regardless. Why? This is wholly inefficient. I think. Maybe. Will it work though? Don't know. Maybe. And oh my God, look at that. We escaped by a shoestring there. I was gonna say I'm gonna this piece here. Where it gone? Because I don't want to draw multiple a feature of this. I'm just gonna draw it all at once, connecting all this this piece with that piece and that piece there, all at once. So I'm gonna grab that one. Yeah, that one. That's good. And I'm gonna draw a similar one right there. The detail does not matter because they all go into it's literally a single layer at the very bottom. Nothing matter here except for the fact that it won't except for the part that it won't what do you call cause trouble for the slide for the software. Like that. Okay, and also make that, but for aesthetical reason, I will make that equivalent. Again, cool. Yeah, I saw this one should have been connected to that. Oh boy, why am I doing this to myself? Because I like it. Don't need to be too worried about it. Oh, actually, that's a 0.4. Let me make it 0.3. Would that work? No, that won't work. Cancel. Yeah, let's make it 0.4. Keep it 0.4. Okay, but I don't want these two to be vertical no more, so that I can make that go inside. And those two parallel. And just that one, just lock that one in place. I don't need to specify where it is. Okay, there's that. Yeah. Still think that there should be an easier way to do this. I haven't found it, but you know, I'll stop that count. So we need to build a little support there, a little support there. Uh, mm. All right, so think about this. We want one piece support there to support that edge there. One piece of support here to support this triangle. Oh. Oh man, wouldn't that have been easier if you just... Yeah, I'm getting bored of doing this, so I'm gonna try something else once really quick. One sec. That is, I'm gonna export this that body. Yeah, like that. Finalize the bottom stuff. Just get rid of the bottom bit really quick. Yeah, make it look good for now. Yeah, and I'm gonna grab this again. Get rid of that. Oh my. Get rid of that. Go outside of that folder. Put this one in place. We'll lay it down on like that and see how the software support it. For one, I do want to see that point too. Yeah, I can tell it has the same idea as I am when it comes to where the painter support. Just it's just less liberal than what I have. I want all that, actually just that and that. Just make that a little highlighted more. Oh, and that one too. Yeah, totally missed that one. But it got it, So seem well there. There's that one at the end. Oh yeah. You notice there, it totally missed this edge. I wonder. Okay. And what I want to try is trying to export this file, but with the support in place. Is that possibility? Oh, build support reinforcer. Yeah, slide that. Yeah, because ultimately, I do want to not have to do this. Clearly, I don't want to have to do this. I don't want to have to build the support myself, if all possible. So if I'm going to export that to an STL, what would that give me? No, don't do whatever you're doing. Leave that aside. Grab the STL. Check it in, and it didn't work. Okay, never mind. Ah, if only I can do that. Oh, can I not grab the support as well? Ah, mm, So, no, I know. Okay, I have to build it in. I'm gonna have to build it. No way around it. Gonna have to build that in. Okay. So we got that one, that one. Now next one is that one. Yep. Oh, pad. And then do this. Oh, grab the surface. Sorry, don't grab anything else. Draw on that. Yeah, I definitely we barely finished the support in. Oh, I have less than that, bit more than an hour left, which is not much time at all. God damn, time flies when you're busy. I won't say that this is having fun because this is definitely not fun. I'd much rather spend my hours thinking about, things like uh, what do you think about when you're bored? Anime? Oh yeah, the new anime season. That would have been a great time killer instead of doing all this. Uh, but unfortunately, it is what it is. I'm trying to make this as little work as possible, so we can lock that in. Yeah, like so. Don't touch anything else, and that's it. Close that. And let it do the calculation. And give it a hard minute. Extrude it all the way up. To that surface. There. To not the first to face. Like so. Yeah. Okay. Now we cut the. Now we go cut uh the screw valve. Come on. Oh, okay. Sorry, it worked, but I thought I thought it still was still calculating. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh boy. Dun, uh, uh, oh, can't even cheap this out. Oh, get rid of. Alright, out of that. Okay. Go back there one step. Just need so that I can grab MissChanger. Centered triangle. Rectangle. And that only two is needed. Yeah, that's good. We only need two here. Oh god, waste so much time. Wait. Yeah, do we need to get rid of the points? We may want to just pull that in so that I can see what I'm doing with. Oh yeah. Okay. So we'll leave it somewhere there. Good enough. Yeah, good enough. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna speed this up now. I'm not this is tedious and I do not want it don't need to be this precise. So just gonna do that. That is already connected. Make sure this one does not leave a very thin wall either. And that's it. It's good enough. So now lock it in. Lock that one in. Lock that one in. Oops. Why is it not locked in? There we go. And that's it. Cut it through. Ah, was so hard to get this thing to make this capable. Got it. Cruel. Oh, we dodged that line there by accident. Yeah, that's good. Cruel, please. Like that. Okay. Oh my god, come on. A second there. Alright, now we need to support that surface there. Oh, we need to extrude it all the way up to there, I think. Because this angle there is not, doesn't matter, right? I think so. Let me just check. It's 40. I don't know what it's trying to say, 40 there. 40% of the uh 40. What are you 40 off? That makes no bloody sense. If that angle, if that angle there is 40, then we're in a bit of trouble. So let me just try this. Ah, there we go. Yeah. No, that's not good. Oh, where the hell am I looking at? Uh, 40. It's draw that weird angle there. But I think this is 40, right? Which is not good. So we will need to support this entire. We need to support this entire triangle. But that is a little bit of a pain. Let me check via the slicer really quick. Oh, not this one. The step version. So this kind of measure function 2. I can grab that and I grab that. That's 41. 41. And that's not good. So this whole surface need to be supported. Oh, damn. Yeah, in case anyone wondering, the fun part is done. We are into the abyss of dealing with all this mumbo jumbo. Nope, cancel. Okay, grab that. I don't want that line actually. I want you to go all the way up here somewhere. Hmm. Do we want that though? Do I want that though? Yeah, something like that. I'm trying to wrap the surface there. Hopefully, oh, hmm. Actually, I think I just found my way out. I just found my escape. I'm going to extrude that all the way to the tip of that, if possible. Why are you not defined? Just give you a number. Yeah, 19.6 is fine. Not 6.6 though. It look a little bit ominous. So what I'll do is instead I will need to still build that final bit for this section here. But for this section, instead of building multiple sketch on top of this rail, I'm just gonna first extend this all the way up to shape, to that point, right? If it works, come on. Up to base, come on. Um, like that. No, didn't work. Why did that not work? Come on. Okay, that didn't work. Yeah, because oh right, up to all right, up to face. Yeah, just select that face. Yeah, just do that for now. Do that for now. Close, and I'm gonna trim it out. Using the on the side from the side profile. So I'm gonna look right. So right now it's gonna look like that, right? So I'm gonna look on the side now, and I'm gonna trim out the corner that need to be cut so that we don't so just using a cut function instead of extrude function for this because extrude is really difficult to do due to how this geometry change and also because by as a requirement I would need to make sure that everybody connected to each other, so that is annoying function. If I ever see one, I could have done that here as well, I think. Oh no, I cannot. Wait, wait. I think I'm just being an idiot. Okay, maybe not this then. But this one, for this one, I think that one, I have, yep, brilliant idea. Yes, a brilliant idea, yeah. All right, so actually, let's try this. Let's do something fun instead of doing all this tedious work. And if it doesn't work, then yeah, we can get back to it. But first of all, get rid of uh yeah, I need the pad. I need that pad as well. So I've got to get rid of that. Oh my god, don't break anything. Eh, eh, come on. Walk me here. Okay. Uh I need that pad, right? Yeah, I need that pad. Uh okay, then I delete everything else. Delete everything else. So first I'm gonna extend this tag up to there, and then I'm gonna make a little side piece here for this one to go through, so that's support this one. And so yeah, let's do that first. Let's do this one first though. Do this first. Get rid of that, like so. And I then grab that one. Oh, not that one. Close that. Yeah. Yep. One sec. Hmm. No, actually, let's try. Let's make it all the way. Let's go all the way because I was worrying that we need to make this zigzag correctly. But once again, if it failed, then we can always redo it all. Uh, so we can just grab all of this and get rid of more. Yeah, get rid of more. Uh-huh. Like that. Now, what do we left with this one? Yep. Okay. So now I'm going to extend this all the way to the bottom. Oh, extend it, not that. How do we extend this without messing with everything? All right, let's lock this one in. No, don't lock that one in. Get rid of that for one. Move it up. Like that. Yeah, just add a little more room. Oh, come on. Uh, yeah, come on. Lock that in. All right, and delete that, and so that we can extend this downward and just lock that one in. Cool. It worked out a little there and so everything red, but it worked out. It worked out. All right. Come on. Yep, things start to messed up there because I changed a lot of stuff. So now I need to go and edit that pocket again to add those little extra. Do I need those extra line? I think I can just dot as long as it can support that wall there. I think we do not need. Oh my! First and foremost, why did it turn? Why is it still? Oh yeah, as long. Oh my God! Why? What am I looking at? One sec. Get the focus here. All right, so I retract my position with this one being equal to that. This is a cut out. I do not need. Oh my! Why are these grooves of different size? Hello? Hmm. So let me just make sure that that and that is equal really quick because I still want the groove to be 0.5. Okay. So you cut out a lot of things. I want the I want the groove to be 0.5, but I want it so that the groove actually support these 4 points. How do I do that? Like that, first and foremost, yeah, like that. And that one doesn't need to be equal to anything. Gonna grab it there and put it like that. And we're Gucci, right? And we move this one up. No, we lock this one in. We lock that one in. And delete some stuff because we don't need that many items. Yeah, just lock that one in and lock that one in. That actually all there is to be. That is all the important bit, right? Yeah, that's all. Yeah, so that line is locked in. So those are locked in. Now down here, I want to protect that. Let's grab if I can that line. If I can, I cannot. Why can I not? Oh God. Oh God, software. Hello. Hello. Things are happening and I don't know what's going on. Get rid of that. I don't know what that is. What is this? Holy heck. Yeah, and I think oh wait, that's the center point. All right, never mind. Okay. Actually, right now, I think it's working right now. Yeah, so you see that yellow line. I want to bring it in to make it highlighted, but doesn't matter. Okay, science fine, come in. It so that line need to be protected as well. That's good that it is. I do want to protect that point too, though. So I'm gonna break this into two. So instead of this one obese here, I'm gonna add a little two of these. Where's the small one? Yeah, there we go. Oh my, oh my. Oh, oh, come on. You gotta be kidding me. Come on. Copy. V. Nope, didn't work. Okay. Trying to save some time. Didn't work. Just put it in there. Put it there. And copy that again. Put it there. Yeah. So, it's scuff. This is scuff. But I think that's fine. Yeah, just leave it that. That's fine. That is fine. That and that and that equal. That I can move. Oh my god, what just happened there? Why are there so many extra square? Why are there extra square? Oh boy, that's what you get for trying to go fast. God damn it, get rid of those. Yeah, because when I select them and copy paste, I didn't just select the square. And upgrade more. All right, let's just Control C. Let's hope the software can reverse the way to where it's supposed to be. There we go. Okay. So now we can get rid of that again. Nothing else broke, right? Right there. Right there. Yep. Okay. So. Oh, don't break on me. Not broken yet? No, not broken yet. Okay, that's good. Vertical. Vertical. Blue. Oh, go inside. Okay, that's good. Go inside that as well. Yeah. We don't need too much trouble. Make that a little fat. Yep. Oh, make that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That one. Yeah. Let's leave it at that. Leave it at that. All right, lock them in. Oh, and we don't need that one. Not that one. The rest of them can move to right. Yep. But oh, why are you tripping out instead of connecting to a place? Oh, because it lost the reference at some point. Okay. Oh yeah, because I deleted a bunch of stuff earlier. Ah, yeah, this is fun. This one is actually important because I need to make sure that they can cut all the thing instead of giving a nanometer gap. But I think that's okay. Let's not be bothered. Okay, close that. Let's calculate. A second note. Yep, that's what I got. We did. Oh no, it totally skipped this whole thing. Oh shit. All right. I'll do some more. I did some more work. Instead of the giant one, you need some small one in the middle too. God damn it. Grab that edge there. I know I need to protect them. And actually, we need to align right there, all the way up. So, on your left eyebrow. Oh my. One sec. Yeah. So that's where you can see that's when that's why I lost the thing in the first place. So make sure I don't deselect that. All of this. Yeah, but not a reference line. That's the key. Hmm? One moment, chat. Okay, had to go a little silent there. Yeah, I got a call with I had got on the call with someone. Anyway, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I want to use this object to cut off this thing, right? So to that end, well we already seen some problem. For example, there's this bit in the middle there where that's going to cause a bunch of problem. Hmm. We shall see how that go. But I reckon we try that now. Just try to do the cut now because I rarely ever use the cut function. So I will unselect that, make a duplicate of that really quick because I am not uh I'm not very comfortable with this, so I don't want to use an object that I already modded. So I'm gonna clone like so. Right, put it in there. Oh wow. Yeah, we'll need to figure out the things I'm getting. Go to the part workbench there, and cut. Come on, don't throw an error. Please don't throw me an error. Not that kind of cut. Wrong way. So let's just try that again. All right, now cut that. Oh, come on. What is that? Blah, 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 blah. Oh, all right. Uh, hmm. Base is should be the dog, not that. So I go and grab the dog support one. Yeah, base is that. Okay. Base to the two dog support one. And then I'll grab the body 33, this one. Okay. Put that support. And I say, okay. What will that give me? It's gonna break, I think. It's gonna break. Oh, wait, no, it didn't break. Holy heck. Alright, alright, alright. That's a good news. How we gonna deal with this good news though is mystery still. A little bit mystery. Oh yeah, you can see where I'm going with this, I think. Can we put this into a body, or do I have to uh grab all that? Hmm. 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 Ooh, you can see that it make this edge too, which is good. Uh, all right. I did not think this through too hard. Oh my, don't break anything. Yeah, I keep tracking. I'm gonna reduce this column here so I have more space to drag things around the screen. But anyway, I need to remove all that. How do we do that? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna stay in the part workbench here because that function of cutting and merging tools seem to be working fine. So I'm gonna save this first because this is the point where we want to make sure that we don't go crazy. Hmm. I'm still thinking of how to do it correctly. One sec. If we put the other one back in the bottom, yeah, right. We don't need any of this. So, in fact, we don't even need, I reckon we shouldn't have bothered with to make it so tall. So let me go there really quick. Make that path offset -1, 2. See how that go? Whoa, recalculating. That, yeah, like that. All right, so yeah, make it slightly more, 0.5, 2.4. So yeah, we can handle a little scuff here, I think, on that angle. So remove all that would make things a lot simpler. With that said, now we can get back to, so remove, so oh no, so we get rid of that so we can see what we're doing. Right, so that need to be cut, but order. Can I select object? Select must be belong to an active body. Active body. How are we doing this? How are we doing this? I want to get rid, yeah, basically we done that phase there. We want to extrude it all the way to the other side. We're gonna get rid of all this floating square here, and we're gonna get rid of this floating not floating, falling stand in the middle, and that one as well. Mm, mm, How are we doing that? Okay, first of all, locked in the cut because I want to keep that around. This is, can I not select all? Where's the part? Workbench. Cool. Cool. Should I? Yeah, I have to do that, don't I? Okay, I should create new bodies, basically. Create a bunch of new bodies to slowly trim these away. Oh wait, what? There's this curve here that I don't know where it came from. That's a cause of concern. Wait, to be fair, we don't need anything above that line, a line there. So, oh boy. Okay, let's add a sword. Let's add an object there. Can I move it? Cube. Can I move it, please? Transform. Good. There we go. Nice. Yeah. You can tell that I have never done this before. Alright, just down. Yeah, I'm just removing as many of these floating bit as possible because this is the thing that going to cause problem, right? And I'm going to resize it if I can. How do I resize it? Oh, there I go. Width, not width. Length. No, not length. Not that side. 12. All right, there we go. Yeah, we want to remove this floating bit here. The rest of them we can trim later. That's easy. It's the floating bit that's annoying. So I say okay. That's that. Oh, are you working with me? There we go. Placement, oh not placement, transform. Ooh, that in there, like so. So we're gonna cut that cut. Yeah, we'll cut that again. Genuinely do not know if this is the right way to do things or not, but I'm doing it. Alright, so those are the floating bit off. So this cut now is a single body, of which we can reference. Oh wait, what's this? What's wrong here? It's it makes a weird shape. Whatever. Alright, so we can go back to the part design really quick so that we can create a clone of that as a body, as a single body. Are you gonna create a body for me? There we go. Yeah. It didn't show up. Oh boy, this has become a much more involved operation than I thought it would have been. And no, this is not going to be a body. This is going to be all this for support too, which is stupid as hell. But anyway, I'm gonna use that say, and I'm gonna cut it. Oh, one sec. Grab that body. Grab the body. Why you're not? Okay, there we go. Grab that. Trim it through. What's the chance of this actually working the first try? Because from the way that I do it here, there's a lot of things gonna break when I'm actually. Oh no, I'm already can imagine it. You can imagine it already. It's something gonna break. Oh, whatever. Don't think about it. We'll deal with the broken bit when it got there, when we got there. Trim that off as well. Up to face this time because I don't want to lose too much of everything here. Up to face. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. Really on the side. Alright, easy bit first. Easy bit first, yeah. Yeah. Do the easy bit first. Just trim all the thing that you can trim. Yeah. Up to face. Like so. The tediousness continue, but we shall prevail. Alright, so we're gonna that say, oh my god, why do you have to be the face that hit the light? Can't see what I'm selecting. Alright, so that's that. So all three of those. That one. I just have to trust myself that I select the right face already because I can't see what I selected. Go to house angle, cut those. Oh, actually, those edges as well can go. Maybe. No, they don't do much problem. No, they don't affect much, but yeah, up to face. That face. There. So that is the base of the. So where is this going? So that one go around the circle, right? Alright, need to make this one transparent, and I'm gonna introduce this back in, but not transparent. Oh, also transparent, I mean. Yeah, so we don't want this loop for the support for one. Actually, make this one have a different color. Yeah, like that. That little bit loop there need to go. So, how are we doing this? I reckon I just first make a sketch right on that face there. Just trim everything. Just cut right there. Go straight through. We literally don't need anything. I don't, right? Oh no, we need this route here. So we do need not straight through. Just up to that face. Yeah, we need to trim everything up to that face. Uh, actually, now that I think about it, we don't need the thing in the middle either. We don't need to support this middle bit because as long as we just support this outer edge here, it should work fine, right? Anyway, grab that face, put a random plane on it, start trimming. Close it, okay. The camera passing because fence is very likely to break uncontrollably. So, for saving up time, I just grab that edge there. That's very important because I need to make it there. And I wanted all this, I get here. Wait, no, it need to go all the way there, but I don't need to be that specific. So let's grab a rectangle, draw this, go back these two. Yeah, as long as I hit that one, this should be fine. And as long as we don't go too deep, so not that much. It's good. Cool. Drop this in. And we trimmed it. If we can. Come on. Work with me. Alright. So we cut it. Cutting again. How far do we cut? We cut it up to. Alright, that's high. This one now. We're gonna cut it up to that face, yeah? Cut it. Oh, my bad. Cut it. Yeah, you can see the starting of that outside of the sketch there. I don't sort it out in software up to face. That face. Yeah. Okay. Uh-huh. You can see the curve starting there. That's what we want to avoid. That's what we want to cut out, I think. Even more so. Right, bring back the dot bottom. See what we're working with now. Don't highlight it. See what you're doing with. So, yeah, okay, that's where there. That's good. Down in the between though. Let's make this non-transparent. See if that works better. No, it makes things harder to see. How do we do this? How do we square this hole? That little bit is supported well. The next bit to support is that edge is done as well. That's good. Ooh, is that one well supported or over supported? I think that one is over supported. I think it's touching, right? Yeah, I think it's touching right now, which is not good. Uh-huh. Do we want to trim this a little bit? Now, this is the thing that's shown up on the sketch just a second ago. So we hide this now. Oh my god. No, not that. This one. Yeah, hide this now. Oh yeah, that is the that edge there. Do that again. This time make it transparent so I can see it. Yeah, it's negative of that point, so it's kind of hard to imagine. But yeah, so because if you see on this side, this thing kicked up a little bit, and that is the thing that got cut out. But because there is this part right here that we need to not, we don't want this. We need to get rid of that, right? So go back there. Yeah, so I don't think we need to support this whole thing, right? It only need to go up because this whole thing, if we look on this side, this whole thing is only need to support down here, and all of this can go. So I reckon I can just trim that whole section off up into the surface of this too. As long as it doesn't, at this point here still supported, that's fine. So we go down there. This time we go in to draw a new fit, a new cut. Wait, wait. Making sure that I'm look at this correctly. Oh yeah, I want a new cut, but I want to cut out that much, only that much. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh my, what happened? Oh, I forgot to save for a while. Let's see. Okay, here we are. So, yo, boring. Ooh. Cool. I want to grab. Oh my, don't flip out on me. Come on now. Doing my best to give you some room here. Mm, Oh, give me back my. Oh my God, so hard to. It's so hard to imagine this as we look at it. Yeah, so the top like that. So we draw a square. All right, so we don't even need a little bottom edge, I don't think. We don't we? No, we don't need it. We don't need it. So we just grab that. So we grab that edge there, yeah. We draw up to. Actually, we just cut out all of it. Should we? Oh, it in the. No, it's not. So this edge there is not supported. Oh, damn it. Oh, that point. That's the point. It's not. That point is not supported anyway. So I reckon. Oh, I reckon this is not working. Just think about this. If we keep doing this, it's going to take ages to get this done. But I don't think the support system is as good as the one in the slicer anyway. There gotta be a way to pull the support out of the slicer somehow. To export with the slicer. So right now, if I export the STL, it just gives me the part, but not the support, which is not good because this piece that it is require support, and for whatever reason, never uh, the slicer never what's it accounted for the edge correctly. The slicer does not accounted for that edge correctly. So you constantly have to go into the slicer and manually paint on the support. That's gonna create some problem, but that one specifically, it never got correctly painted. How do we doing this? Yeah, go on. Yeah, you see, it need to go all the way to the edge there, or else it's gonna get some spaghetti at the corner. If we can just export, if we can just export. First of all, they don't do it the same way that every time, so it was not looking like this just a minute ago. Ah, if I can only export that one as well. Yeah, right. Slides now. If I can export this view here, if I can just export this entire piece, including the support, it would be that's what we want. So honestly, the building of this is not good. This this support system that I'm building had been building is not good. It does not create the was it the interface layer the same way the one in Cruiser Slicer did. So yeah, oh, so you can see there. Yeah, you can see there. This interface layer is not accounted for in the support, and 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 I want that. I was for a second there. I thought no, for a second, not now, a second, like for an hour there, 2 hours there. I have been thinking that hey, I can just overlook the inclusion of that interface layer. But you think about it, if I can no, I could exclude that if I can what is it? If I can just overlook that interface layer because if I'm oh my god, I'm just start bugging out. My brain start bugging out now. We close to the 3 hour mark. But yeah, if we can we can overlook the exclusion of that interface layer because this support system is what built in and it's gonna touch the part so we can break it up way much easier, but we don't. So but now that if we look at it now, I realize that this is not the easiest support to make. There's too many surface on the bottom here to account for the support system, right? Wait. Oh, oh, sorry. Maybe too loud there. I got an idea. And as frustrating as it may seem, I'm going to get rid of all this. Gonna get rid of all this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna create built-in support for that specific point. For that specific point where where the software consistently failed to support. Then I'm just gonna tell everyone to create the support to print it with support for that specific piece. And yep, that makes sense. Yeah, I hope so. Because I'm going for it. All right, let's do this. That makes sense in a bit. It will make sense in a bit. Let me delete this really quick. Yeah, because manual support on this is just too tedious, just too much work, and it doesn't work too well either. So got that. Get rid of them. If I can, go. Oh yeah, because I'm almost in the sketch. One sec, you get it out of it. Let me get off the sketch, yeah. Oh my god, it's 6 o'clock. All right, I'll get it done quickly. Get this done quickly, and then get this done quickly to explain my piece, my point, and then yeah, and then I have to go. Yes. Oh my god, there's a cube, and there's a cut. All right. Yes, expand everything. The body itself can go. Yeah, these can all go. Right. We got to that point. This dock support there. Right. So, yeah. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get rid of this as well. Oh my god. Go on. All right. I'll keep the tandem plane. I keep the tandem plane, but I'm gonna get rid and the pocket. No. I keep the tandem plane and the pad, but I'm gonna get rid of the pocket. So no, cancel. No. We got that and that. Yeah, these two can go. Too many, too many custom important pieces to be made, in that sketch. So, where was I? Yes. Grab that line, get rid of it, move it this backward. So yeah, the only thing that I need to build a custom support for is that line there. Why is it looking pink? Oh, right, yeah, because there we go. The only support that matters is support of that line there, because that is the one point where it's constantly failing for whatever reason, right? Let's see that. Okay, so I will make a specific feature here, right? And put that down. I don't need the center point anymore, I don't think. Yeah, I don't need it. Don't need it. I just need that specific point. So let me get that. I don't need that. Just make it, yeah, make it that surface there. Actually, this is actually not even needed, but I'm feeling it. I'm feeling it right now. I think this is the solution, so I'm gonna build it out correctly. Parallel. Nice. So, okay, yeah, that's good enough. Good enough. Okay. So I'm gonna create a hollow here. Actually, let's just build it in two. Don't need to sketch either because this point is rather straightforward. Uh, yeah. All right. Right. All right. That one is going to be this sketch is supposed to look like that. Yeah. The vertical. That one need to collide with that. That one also need to collide. Oh, that one already collide with that, so I don't need to worry. That one and that one is equal to make it look good. That one and that one is parallel. Yeah. Good. Is it? No. I don't think so. Yeah, I don't think so. That one and that one is parallel. Okay. So, and now I'm just gonna eyeball this dimension. Oh, oh 04, oh 08, oh 08, oh yeah, let's make it 08. 08 so that it's more stable. And I'll trim it down by 02 so that the line when it touch this interface is 416. Let me get 02. Let me get 02. Wait, oh no, 06, sorry. Let me get 0. No, keep it 08. Doesn't worry. Don't worry. Oh, you're very overly worrying think about things. No, knock that one in. Knock that one in. And everything just, yeah. See? Don't overcomplicate things. Come on. Alright. Oh, is it? Okay, there we go. And now the path can go up to the base. That one. Oh, sorry. Select base. That base. And don't need to account for anything. Okay. Okay. Hello. Is that not gonna happen? Nothing happened. Why is it not gonna happen? All right, because I didn't delete it correctly. 0. Come on. There we go. Like that. And now I hide the binding away, select this line, make it a Philip by 04. Did that 04? Why is that asking me that? Okay. Select that. Alright, try that again. Make a Philip 04. Not 1. It's gonna scream at me for a sec. 4. Yeah, so that now this interface now is easy to break off. Okay. And now I can export this entire thing as an object. Yeah, and just leave it that. Oh, and it crashed. Damn it! Did I save? Oh my god! Alright. Oh yeah, I don't know, so I didn't. I did not just do that. Oh my god, and I forgot to count the other bug before too, so this is 2.4 free cat. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, technically I didn't make it new in the past couple of hours, right? Please tell me. Yes! Oh my god, start recover over. Start recover. Oh, oh. Oh, I have to redo all of it, but yeah, gonna have to redo all of it. But the good news is I didn't lose everything. I'm not salty, chat. You are. Yeah, I'm not salty. I'm totally not salty. Totally not salty. Ah, and I told myself that I'm gonna, what is it? I'm gonna save it once in a while too. Totally forgot about that. Damn it. Free cat, why? Yes, why? That took the win out of myself. What time is it? Alright, I'll go for another 15 minutes and then I'll stop. Need to go after test. Gotta say goodbye to my friend who's moving out. I said that, but I also want to move out as well. But I am poor, so I can't do that. Grab the point that matters. Once again, come on. Come on. Line. Get rid of that line. Get that there. That there. Get rid of that. Put it there. I'm not even. I'm even trying to try to make this look good. Not even. Yeah, let's not even try to make it look good. Okay, just that. I'm still parallel. That's it. Parallel. Yeah, just eyeball it a little bit. Let me just. I can't take that. I can't take it. I can't take it. Make that not parallel. Okay, so equal dimension. Oh wait. Oh, that could have been bad. Good thing I didn't. Good thing I didn't. I didn't got too frustrated and eyeball. Oh my god, that's the wrong button. All right. Good thing I didn't get frustrated and overdone it. Oh, all right. All right. And that. That's all right. Yeah. Just look at it. Just look at it. That's fine. Good enough. Go. Close that. Oh, okay. All right. Close. Yeah. Save that before you do anything else. Save. Always save. Right. Now put that away to face. that face instead. Yeah, why is that not? Oh, 0. Okay. Oh, we gotta do this. We doing this. Come on. We got this. We got this. Okay. You're safe. Good. I'm just gonna give it a second just to ponder the meaning of life so that I'm doesn't break my this shit again. All right. That goes 2.4. Da. Come on. Come on. Work with me here. 0.4. Okay. Cool. Are we cool? We are cool, right? Let's save that. We bring right. So just right. So some just give us some mental check here. Nothing seems wrong. We create that little edge. Just we literally just make that little edge so that stuff can stick to it. Because that edge there is a problematic edge for design. Well, 1 second, chat. I think my roommate is calling for the. Yep, that's my call. But I still have some second there. Just let me cook here. Save that really quick. TC design, yeah, that. Oh no, PETTs, this thing. We can deal with that tomorrow. Not tomorrow, later, maybe tomorrow, but late, but not sure. Anyway, that is done. Get rid of that. We're gone. Now, for the love of God, do not crash on me. Do not crash on me. I'm in the export window right now. I'm just gonna do not crash on me. I swear to God. Yes, replace it. It didn't crash. Great. Oh my God, you son of a bitch. That, put that over there. Hey. All right. Now, because we had that in there, we don't need these. We do need a support. We still need to paint on support. But as you can see, it doesn't need to account, does not need to account for that bit there because took care of it, right. So we did that. Make sure that lengthen it out a bit. I may need to make sure that, yeah, that as well. Okay, we can apply that same idea for these bit later, but for now, let's move on. Uh, Slice that. Oh, I put a prim on it. Don't put a prim, and more importantly, put a number 2 because that is the 2 head with the slicer. Right. And now let's check that again. Let me check that again. All right. Actually, let me just pat this out a bit more. Yeah. Mm, mm, mm. Yeah. Let's just tighten up that. Yeah. I don't want my print to fail yet, so I'm just gonna do that. All right. Slice that. Come on. You can do this. Give it to me. Uh, uh, Yeah, and account for that as well. That's good. I think that's it. We're gonna print this out. on its own in 2 hours. I'm not gonna you guys not gonna get to see any of this. Yeah, no, I need to get ready to go out. So I'm gonna print this out. Hope if I end up being able to stream tomorrow, I will schedule the meeting. No, not a meeting. What the hell I'm saying? I will schedule the stream hours ahead of time. So basically, basically about around lunchtime here in the UK. That is when I can tell whether I have the energy to carry on streaming or not that evening. Monday maybe. Wednesday definitely not. I will see what happened on last Wednesday. That was horrible. Let's not do that. So I'm not doing that. But Monday maybe, Friday maybe, Saturday and Sunday yes. So yeah, that is the we're developing a plan for the stream right now. Hopefully we lock one in, and yeah, and all that is. And with that said, for those who had been watching, thank you very much for keeping the stream on. I'm pretty sure nobody actually paying that much attention anyway, but your support is greatly appreciated. And yeah, that's it. I'll see you next time. I don't have an end stream, so cheers, chat. Bye.